Hello everyone. Today I show you how to solve SQL exercises in Hackerrank name employees' salaries. The content of question is writing a query that prints a list of employee names for employees in employee having a salary greater than per month who have been employees for less than 10 months. Sort your result by ascending employee id. In first row I retrieve name of employees. This row is first part of question that print employees' names. After that, I used where command for having a salary greater than $2,000 per month, who have been employees for less than 10 months in second row. Then write third condition which sort result by ascending employee id. For this I used order by command. That's all. Run code and submit it. Thanks for watching video.